Fayetteville, West Virginia. We're back out here now to finish up re-roof that we couldn't get done during the snowstorm last winter. I'm doing some detailing. This is a deck-tight flashing, typical boot that we use. It's the rubber boot with a malleable metal perimeter. You put caulking underneath, screw it down, put in self-tapper screws every 1.5 inches around the outside, another bead of caulk around the perimeter, and that's good for life. Everything about a metal roof is doing a good job of sealing the connections. In fact, you could say a lot of construction is about joint details. Mies van der Rohe said, God is in the details, and that is certainly true for doing a good job. We're putting on the ridge cap today. One of my pet peeves is making sure that everything is sealed properly. You can see the closures that go between the high ribs of the standing seam roof. And what I've got the guys doing is doing some back caulking, sealing all of that connection really well between the closures and the metal roofing, and then between the closures and the ridge cap. Another oddball detail that we have in this building is the connection to this fabric structure behind me. That's something that you normally don't run across. It's going to be something custom that we have to make up out in the field, something that we'll need to do some fabrication in our shop and marry these two different types of materials. Fabric and metal expand, contract at different rates. They have different connections, different adhesives that work well with them. So we have to use a fabric, a tape, mastic, and malleable strips all together in one assembly so that these two can be joined so that they won't leak in the future. I'm Bruno Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. Call us about your next project. We'll design and build your metal building anywhere in the United States.